For the appointment of Class 2 Medical, you will need an EGCA account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new EGCA account. The process is explained in the part 1 video that is given in the link description below, or you can directly go to the video by clicking the I button on the top right corner of your screen. Now I will show you how to apply for the appointment of Class 2 Medical. After logging into EGCA, this is your home screen where you can check your flying experience, accomplishments, upcoming medical appointments and examination. Now scroll down, click the issuance of the Class 2 Medical. Medical Center selection, click on the DGCA Empaneled Medical Examiner, then click on Next. The first step for the Class 2 Medical is to fill up your basic details. Your details should be already filled up as it is the same when you made the EGCA account. If it is not showing your details, then fill it up. You need to fill up your PMR number or the computer number, whichever you have, then fill up your personal details. Nationality, place of birth, date of birth, blood group. The column with the red star above are mandatory to fill. Your contact details and your permanent details. Employment detail. If you are currently employed, select yes, or if you are from Indian military or paramilitary forces, select yes option. License detail. If you have any kind of license like SPL, FRTOL, select the respective license. Type of operation. If you are a single crew, multi-crew or other, select respectively. It will show you which aircraft type you have flown like Cessna 152 or Cessna 172, total flying hours and flying hours till previous medical examination. For example, you have flown Cessna 172 for 100 hours, which is the total flying time, and 50 hours till the previous medical exam. If you have any previous medical examination, the details will be shown. You need to upload your passport size photograph. Maximum size is 40 MB, preferred type is JPG format and maximum number of file is 1. If you want to view your medical application, click on Back to view medical application or click on Next. After filling basic details, applicant will fill the medical detail. The medical declaration tab consists of medical details and the applicant declaration. Answer the medical declaration carefully. Click the applicant declaration, then submit. Or if you want to cancel the application, click on Cancel Application. To view your application status, click on Track Status. The third step is to upload your investigation or medical report. Note the medical investigation should be carried out less than 1 month of the intended date of the medical and then upload it. You have to upload these tests. First is blood test, hemoglobin percent, TLC, DLC and CBC. Second is urine, RE and ME. Third is ECG. Fourth is X-ray, chest, PA view. Fifth is pure tone audiometry. And sixth is any other medical that you have done. It is important that you need to do these tests from NABH or NABL labs. The maximum size of the file is 40 MB, preferred type is JPG again, and maximum number of files is 15, means you can upload 15 tests at a time. An application ID is generated on form submission. Additionally, an email and SMS notification is sent to the applicant. The email will contain the list of blood tests that he or she needs to perform. Upload investigation reports before going for the medical examination. The applicant visits the DGCA Empaneled Examiner for the checkup and revalidates the form in front of the examiner. The applicant has to carry the hard copy of the ID proof that he had uploaded during the registration, and the ID will be verified. The examiner will conduct the checkup, and after that, the applicant will be issued a medical certificate CA35. The medical certificate CA35 is available for download at the EGCA portal. The DMSCA at the Medical Directorate receives the medical application. The Medical Directorate team marks the applicant as fit, temporary unfit, or permanent unfit. In case of fit, the medical assessment will be sent over EGCA portal as well sent through email. In case of unfit, the unfitness letter will be sent over EGCA portal as well sent through email. This is the new procedure for Class 2 Medical after June 2020 through the EGCA portal.
So here at Captain Aluwali Aviation Academy, we provide classes for all the DGCA exams, and we also provide preparatory classes for Indigo Cadet Program, CAE FTA L3, Skyborne and New Zealand for all the rounds, and for the new cadet program also the Air Asia Cadet Program. So to give the DGCA ground papers, you require a roll number. So that is the computer number. How to apply for the computer number, the link is in the video description. And for the DGCA Class 2 Medical Doctors also, the link is in the video description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe it. Thank you.